In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web page using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is widely known for creating documents, but it also has the ability to help you design simple web pages quickly and efficiently. This is especially useful if you need a straightforward web page without diving into coding or complex design software. By the end of this guide, you'll see how easy it is to convert a Word document into a functional web page in just a few steps. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. If you're familiar with the interface, this will be simple. But even if you're new to Word, locating it through your desktop icon or Start menu is all you need to get started. Once Word is open, create a new blank document. Alternatively, if you already have a document with content that you'd like to transform into a web page, open that existing file. Having your content ready in advance will make the process faster and smoother. With your document open, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner of the Word window. Clicking File gives you access to a variety of document management options. From here, select Save As. This step is crucial because we will be changing the document's format to one that web browsers can read. After clicking Save As, choose a location on your computer to store your new web page file. Selecting an accessible location, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder, will make it easier to locate the file later. Next, in the Save As dialog box, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. Click this menu and select Web Page as the file format. Choosing this option converts your Word document into a file that browsers can display like a website. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct file type, as this ensures your web page will appear correctly when opened in any browser. Once saved, navigate to the folder where you stored your new file. Double-click it to open the web page in your default internet browser, and you'll see your content displayed as a web page. This method is an excellent solution for creating quick, simple web pages for projects, announcements, or personal content without the need for specialized web design tools. Using Microsoft Word in this way highlights its versatility and shows how everyday tools can be repurposed creatively. With just a few clicks and a little planning, you can transform a standard document into a shareable web page that anyone can view. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.